and welcome to my channel. If you've seen my last makeup video, I did a look with bright purple lipstick. Today I'm gonna use another very out there, different and very unusual lip color. I'm using this one. This is Stone Fox from Nyx Cosmetics. It's the liquid suede cream lipstick. This is definitely not an easy shade to work with, so let's see what I come up with. Let's go. So I'm starting off with concealer. I'm using this one from Flomar Cosmetics, the Perfect Coverage Liquid Concealer in the shade Light Beige. Next, I'm using the Pro Filter foundation from Fenty Beauty in the shade 260. Up next, I am just going to be filling in my brows with the Ultimate Brow Kit from Wet n Wild in Ash Brown. As you can see, I've drawn in my eyebrows a little thicker today, and that's just to go with this look that I've come up with. Up next, we're gonna start with the eyeshadow, and I'm using Huda Beauty's Gemstone Obsessions palette. I'm starting off with this shade. Up next, I'm using this shade. Using the same concealer that I used before, the one by Flomar, I'm going to apply some of it on my eyelids. Now, using this shade and a thinner brush, I'm gonna just apply it on the crease of my eyes. Now, using this shade, I'm gonna cover the lids. For below my eyes, I'm gonna be using this shade again. Up next is eyeliner, and I'm using Maybelline New York's Master Ink. As you can see, I have used a little bit of this Maybelline New York Colossal Kajal in the inner corners of my eye. I'm also going to be using it on my waterline. Now it's time for some mascara, and I'm using Maybelline New York's Colossal Go Extreme. Next, I'm going to apply my Huda Beauty lashes, Samantha. Now I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Master Contour Stick in medium shade. So I'm done with my makeup. All that's left is the star of this look, the gray lipstick. So this is my final look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Until next time, bye bye.